Here I have Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to check serial number on this device. So to check serial number you have two different methods. The first one, you just open phone application, open keypad and enter the secret code, which is *#06#, and here you can see your serial number. And the second method, you open settings, then go to the about device section, status, and here you can find your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.